Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Today I'm going to do a couple product reviews for you. I'm detailing my own car before my detail comes because it's been dirty. Haven't had time to get to it. A lot of people use a foam cannon, which I use. I have a pressure washer that works great. Puts a ton of foam on the car and it stays on the car, so you can really have the time to not have to reapply it, go around and wash your car or clay bar it, depending on the soap you have. So a lot of people, for economical reasons, they're going to foam blasters, you know, the little hose connector foam cannons, basically, or foam gun. So I'm going to give you a product review today. This one's from Chemical Guys. I bought it. This is going to be right out of the box. I bought it at Detail Garage in Mesa, Arizona. They carry all the Chemical Guys stuff. Buy a lot of things from them. We're going to go over some of their products today in a couple videos. So basically I have the hose attachment and then I have the gun. So this is the new version. Let's set this down. And all you do is just fill up the soap to the line. Connect it. It's got a dial. Number 5 is for the foam. Let's check it out. Oh, Timber's up. Hey Timber, want to say hi to everybody? Timber. Nope, get a quick look. Thought she saw a cat. Denied today. All right, let's check out this foam gun. So as you can see, the whole car got a nice layer of soap. Get your 2-bucket method, one with soap, one with a rinse bucket. Wash your car and off you go. Nice, easy, convenient. Chemical Guys can be purchased at Detail Garage in Mesa, Arizona. They have 3 locations in town. Have a great day, everybody.